In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert citations in Microsoft Word. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a research report, or an article, knowing how to properly cite your sources is essential. Microsoft Word offers a streamlined way to manage and insert citations, ensuring your work is both professional and credible. Let's dive into the process and see how you can easily manage your references. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document where you intend to add citations. Once you have your document ready, you'll locate the References tab in the top menu bar. This tab is where all the tools related to citations and bibliographies are conveniently housed. Click on it to reveal a range of options. Next, you'll want to manage your sources. By selecting Manage Sources, you'll open the Source Manager. If you prefer, you can alternatively go to Insert Citation and then click on Add New Source, which ultimately leads to the same destination. Now, in the Source Manager, click on New to create a new source. This step is crucial because it sets up the framework for your citation. In the Create Source dialog box that appears, you'll be asked to select the type of source you're using. Whether it's a book, journal article, or a website, choose the correct type to ensure your citation is properly formatted. Once you've chosen, fill in all the relevant fields. This typically includes the author, title, year of publication, publisher, and other pertinent details related to your source. Be sure to enter this information accurately as it will form the basis of your citation. After completing the fields, hit OK. This action saves your source in the master list, which is essentially a library of all the citations you're adding throughout your document. Now, you're ready to insert your citation into the document. Navigate to the section of your text where you've used information from this source. Place your cursor immediately after the sentence or passage you want to cite. Head back to the References tab and click on Insert Citation. You'll see a list of all the sources you've added. Simply click on the desired source and Word will automatically insert the citation into your document. This straightforward process not only keeps your work organized, but also ensures that your citations are correctly formatted according to the style guidelines you're following. Furthermore, your sources remain within easy reach should you need to make any edits or additions later on. And that's how you integrate citations using Microsoft Word, making your writing consistent and reliable. Thanks for following along, and happy writing.